economy of this country sef, e dey affect disabled people, e dey affect them. So if you're disabled, you still have to come out and vote. Good morning, guys. So like I said, on this channel we do anything, and on this particular tutorial, me, I'm going to hold your hand, all of you that have not gotten your voters card. Very soon I'm going to put lock on my video. Before you watch my video, you will impute your voters card number. Even though I know that is not possible. But on this tutorial, I want to teach you like easy way to get your PVC. Honestly, this video is for my Nigerian people also, in case you don't understand. This one is not AI tutorial. How to get your PVC in Nigeria. You can do the registration yourself before you just go for your biometric. So that way you just get to INEC office, all you just need to do is just to give them your invite, your appointment slip. Once you show them your appointment slip, they'll just do you your biometrics, and that's it. I've done mine. In fact, I did mine since 2022. That time I was still a copper. I was part of the presiding officer in the last election, and in my polling unit, I don't even want to gist you guys what happened in my polling unit. At some point, we had to change from our copper uniform to mufti, so that they will not recognize us as we are the coppers in that polling unit. Omo, it was hell. So this particular election, I am going to come out and vote. I was not able to vote the last time because I was a copper. So this time we must come out and vote. So I want to teach you guys how to do your PVC. So it's very easy. Go on your Google and type INEC. It will come up, right? See, once you come out, you will see all this portal. You will see voters registration, INEC voters portal, like that. Then you click on voters registration. So you can sign in with your Google as a new user, or you log in if you started your application. But like I said, this tutorial is for fresh people that don't have idea. So we want to input name now. Let's say our name is Onyeka, then surname Itibolibo, Itibolibo. Then mobile 08012345678, right? Then email, let me use this email. If you send me message on this email, anyway, my email is even online, so there's no need. So then you input the password you want to use, right? Then click on this security check. Once you click on this security check, click on continue. It has created successfully. So you now go to your email. Once you go to your email, you receive a message that you should verify your account. So you click on any of them. Your account is now verified. Then all you want to do now is to log in. My fingerprint. So this is the first step. So to start your registration, you go down. You see new voters registration. All these things, you see review. Review is to review the information that you provided and you've not submitted. Like you started your application, but you've not submitted. You can review your information to be sure that everything is correct. Then transfer. Transfer is for, although you cannot do this transfer because the portal is not working very well. You know now the way my beautiful, wonderful country that portal can be. That if you want to transfer from, let's say you're no longer staying in a particular area that you used to vote, and then you've moved, like you've moved to another location, then you can now click on that transfer to transfer your polling unit. That's what that transfer, but it's not working. You still have to go to INEC office. So I think actual the actual button that is working is just for this new registration. So you click on start registration, right? New registration. Yes. So after that, you now input your details. You input your details. So let's say Onyeka Okay, our surname that I used was Itibolibo. This is just tutorial. I have my voters card. Onyeka, you put your other name. Let's say other name is Olodo. Then date of birth, you want to put let's say 2nd of June. You must be 18 years old. You must be 18 years. Is this up to 18? Let me just choose 1990, right? So gender, a male or a female. There's nothing like in between. You are either a male or a female. No in between. Then public service, anything. You can just see if your occupation is not here, just choose other. Put your address. You want to say, let's say 2 Oringo, Oringo Street, eh? Lokoja. You put your name. You put your name. Mobile, email, level of education, anyone. You just, it's very easy. Disability, if you have, you put anyone, because even though you are disabled, you're supposed to vote because the economy of this country sef dey affect disabled people. E dey affect them. So if you're disabled, you still have to come out and vote. There are people on the polling unit that will help you. You tell them what you, the person that you want to vote for, and you just impute your this thing there. Because if the country better, all those disabled people, they're supposed to put them on some form of allowance or some form of government benefit. So you have to come out and vote. See, just put your anyone. Just, it's very easy. So as soon as you finish choosing this, you choose your polling unit. Please, this polling unit is very, very important. I beg. It is very, very important. It's not when it will reach. They've already set the date now for election. That election is going to be in January. It's not when it will get to January now. That's when you now know that your polling unit is not in your village, or now you're not in your village. If you know you're going to be in your village during the election, you better choose the polling unit that is your village. Choose the polling unit that is in your village. Every time now you people be saying that voting does not work, voting does not work. It works. If not, they will not be giving you people small small bag of rice to collect your rights as a human being to vote. It works. So choose the polling unit of where you know that you're going to be there to vote. Choose. Then choose your polling unit. If you know you are not going to travel, you choose your location base. Then you upload your documents. For this, you can just upload your international passport. If you don't have an international passport, you can upload your local government of origin just to show that you are in Nigeria. You get one document is enough. Then security check, and you continue. Let me see if it will allow me to save and continue. Let me fill out this place first, because I know say e no go allow me to continue. So I'm just going to choose anything. Make una no vex o. Nigeria must better. I don't even know, where did I choose Gombe? Hey, Koboko. Let me choose Koboko. The save and continue. Then you upload your this thing. So you want me to you upload your this picture. So you upload where you're smiling and you upload when you're frowning. See? Which one is this one now? Neutral face, no smiling, no frowning. In fact, because I don't even know what's funny in this country. When you think of all the anger and everything that's happened, you'll be angry by force. Nothing is funny. Then smile. this one you just think that despite everything you're surviving. So it's fine. So if everything is correct, you should get an appointment slip in your email, and you just take that message, should take it to any INEC office close to you, and they'll do your biometrics, and that's it. Easy peasy. So I don't want to hear that you don't know how to do your voters card though. I don't want hear am. I don't want hear am. Thank you. Again, let who have sense hear what the spirit is saying. Pick the sense from the nonsense. And I'll see you on my next tutorial video. Ciao, ciao.